The off-road kit contains everything needed to winch with a high lift jack, all in one convenient gear bag. The kit contains a winch tensioner with a chain and chain grab hook, a custom nose attachment with a chain and chain grab hook, an 8-foot tree saver strap, a pair of high lift gloves, and a hardware and gear bag. You will also need about 25 to 35 feet of 3/8 chain. By using the off-road kit attachments, winching is greatly simplified. Without the kit, you must detach the jack nose from the chain or recovery strap each time you reach the end of the jack's travel along the standard. With the clever design of the off-road kit, you can leapfrog down the main length of chain over the chain attachment point from the nose attachment with the winch tensioner, reverse the jack to the lowering position, which then puts the tension on the end of the standard. You then move the nose to the bottom of the standard. The chain attached to the nose is then rehooked to the main chain, and the jack reversing lever moved to the lifting position. This process is repeated as needed until your main chain has reached its maximum travel. This allows for much easier and faster winching. Attach the end link of the provided 3/8 inch 26 link chain between the gap in the bracket sleeves and secure with a 3/8 inch bolt and nut. Attach the 3/8 inch grab hook and clevis pin at the opposite end of the chain. Secure with a cotter pin. The 5/16 inch bolt and nut will be used for securing the assembly to the nose of the high lift jack. Insert the end link of the provided 3/8 inch 15 link chain into the gap in the tensioner bracket and secure with a 3/8 inch bolt and nut. Then attach the 3/8 inch grab hook with clevis pin at the opposite end of the link of chain. Secure with a cotter pin. The 1/2 inch bolt and nut will be used for securing the above assembly to the high lift jack steel bar. Remove the footpiece from the jack standard by removing the cotter pin and removing the footpiece. Attach the winch tensioner using the 1/2 inch bolt and nut. Reattach the footpiece using the included quick release pull pin. This allows easier removal of the footpiece for installing the winch tensioner. You may need to ream the hole in the footpiece by using a 1/4 inch drill bit. The high lift extreme jack comes with a quick release pull pin, so no drilling is required. Next, attach the winch jack attachment bracket over the high lift jack lifting nose using the 5/16 inch bolt and nut. Here you will need additional chain. Wrap the tree strap around a stable, sturdy tree or stationary object. Bring both of the looped ends of the tree strap together. Pull your 3/8 chain through the 2 loops of the tree strap and secure the 3/8 chain to itself using a grab hook or shackle. And remember, always use tread lightly principles when winching off-road. Next, ensure that the high lift jack top clamp is in line with the high lift jack steel bar before attaching to the D-ring shackle. Place the D-ring shackle through the high lift top clamp and secure it with a D-ring shackle bolt. Attach one end of your 3/8 chain or tow strap to the vehicle to be winched. Slip the opposite end of your chain tow strap through the D-ring shackle and secure. Attach the winch jack attachment bracket to the 3/8 chain, securing with the winch jack attachment bracket grab hook. You can tighten the rigging by choking or shortening the chain and connecting the hook to an appropriate link. With all the pieces attached and secured, and the high lift jack reversing latch in the up position, begin operating the high lift jack handle. This will begin tightening the chains or tow straps and winch the vehicle. Continue winching the full length of the high lift jack steel bar, which is one full winching cycle. Attach the winch tensioner grab hook to the 3/8 chain beyond the winch jack attachment grab hook. Reverse the high lift jack reversing latch to remove tension from the winch jack attachment, transferring the tension to the winch tensioner. Return the high lift jack running gear toward the base of the high lift jack. The full tension is now on the winch tensioner. Reattach the winch jack attachment grab hook beyond the winch tensioner grab hook. Reverse the high lift reversing latch to begin the winching cycle again. This removes the tension from the winch tensioner, transferring it back to the winch jack attachment. Repeat this as often as necessary to move the vehicle to the desired location.